pull your car right down out the way.
The truck.
The keys in there?
Yeah, they in there. Nope. Yo. So we are here out in the. What I'm looking at.
I got a chain. We'll have to try to do it some kind of way.
No, I'm talking about you going on that trailer?
Yeah. I'm gonna bring some tie downs back when we come when we leave out. I just want to put it on there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's put it on there. I'm gonna bring a tie down real quick. So what to do at this game? We out here in South Carolina, man. We get ready to go pick up another project car. So we're taking this truck to all the way to Detroit. Hey, Paul, what year is your truck again?
14.
No, yeah.
53 and a half.
This is a 53. What is it? What kind? What's he say? I don't know what year. It's a 53 truck. Some type of 53 truck, some type of Chevy truck. So we taking this truck to Detroit and we bringing back another car. But I'm not gonna tell the kind of car we bringing back until we lay eyes on it because it's kind of a surprise. It's gonna be a big surprise though. We're gonna try to get this loaded up and then we're gonna come back Friday and pull out and ride to Detroit. So we're trying to get everything rolling and situated. So we came here so we can just come here Friday morning and pull straight out. So let me give y'all a little walk around of this. Let me see real quick. Got going around here. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned. You know that boy pot him on the ground.
Come over here, Mason. Show in there.
See? Better tell you, stop bringing this truck over here, Papa.
Inside filled with car wheels.
That's what you'll see.
And it's the good truck too, bro. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 window. This the good one. Yeah, this the good one. Yeah.
All right.
Hey, did you notice it was a 5 window?
Yeah.
It's the good one.
That's a 54. Supposed to be a 5 window. That's right after 53 and a half.
53 and a half. Papa know what he talking about.
I wonder if that motor gonna turn over.
That's an inline 6. If the crank loose, bro, you'll be surprised. God damn, that shit done locked back down. I ain't pulling it back up. But it's an inline 6 in there. And we going on that with it. All in the street. Nobody care. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Pretty solid for the most part. Doors open pretty easy. Yeah. Oh, we got floors. Hey, bro, we got floors.
For real?
Ooh.
Wow. But look at this though.
Yeah.
That's how the bumpers is on the car we're gonna get. I ain't telling you.
Yeah,
That's
but
kind of how the bumpers is. So we gotta find some.
it depends on your style. You might take them off. You never know.
Man, trucks like these, you gotta have them on there.
But it depends.
Yeah,
Depends on how you
step
go
bars,
with
You
it.
gotta have the step bars, right?
Yeah.
You gotta have the
They
step
call it
bars.
running board.
Yeah.
Running boards. You're right. They do call them running boards.
Take it out of gear. You know, you ever drove a straight shift?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, I'm going to show you.
That's what we're gonna learn today. Ain't we?
It's in an H. That's all you remember. Right here is low.
Right where?
Pick up on it. Put it to neutral. Put it to neutral. Pull back on. That's low. Push it back to neutral. Push down on it. The other way. Push down.
Down toward
And
my
up.
leg.
Down up and up. That be reverse. Then when you pull it back, that push and push down, that's high.
Push.
But
down.
when you raise up and push it up, that's reverse.
We gotta get
That's
some
how my
motion going.
Huh?
We gotta get some motion going. So
You might have
I'm
to
in
get in there
neutral
because we got to push.
Push.
I'm neutral now.
Push it up. You got your clutch? Let me see. Ready? Yep.
Yeah.
No. There she go. Take the brakes. Take the brakes. Take the brakes now. All right, let's ride. Go ahead. Do it.
Turning it. We about to push it.
Okay.
All right.
Mason, record us.
Hold it just a minute.
Can't stop him. We need that momentum.
Okay.
Ready? Why we stopping?
You good over there?
Don't hit the
Turn it. Turn it.
Straighten up.
There you go. There you go. There you go. You want to put it at?
I ain't did the brake for you. I thought that's what he said.
Mason, let me get the camera. Mason, did you catch any of that on camera?
Yes.
On the side, still take it with us. But you know, we bringing a, I don't even, 73, 75 the Sabre back. Hopefully that much on there. But like you
Still
said,
ain't
it
gonna-
should go in there without the gate on it.
Still won't have enough
But-
room even with letting you roll up that far.
And that's what exactly the ramp. Exactly. That's why I said we definitely need it. Exactly right.
Y'all see how we coming recklessly. I mean, reckless gang, my fault. Shut the whole street down. Like we say, we taking this to Detroit, and we coming down with something. We ain't gonna tell y'all just yet. We ain't got no car trailer, but we gonna make some shit happen. Look at him. Look at him. When we go get the next project, it gotta go under. Cause we ain't no way we doing that. Now you gotta go get a bunch of straps. Unless we got straps.
Nah, I gotta go buy some. Whew. I'm just nervous when we get there. Hope the other project car fit on there. But like I said, we're gonna got
Oh,
that
she
thing on
definitely
there.
gonna hang
Yeah,
on.
long we got the gate off, I think we're gonna be smooth. But like you said, we can't leave the gate because we're gonna need it for the ramp. Unless we go buy some ramp. So we ain't trying to do all that. So now
But you gotta think that next project, you did say we gonna have a good driveway to go down, right?
Yeah,
All right.
It's tight, but it's definitely downhill though. It's something like how we just did it. It's downhill, so we're gonna be straight. Definitely gonna be straight. Whew. Yes, sir. Appreciate that.
It's the muscle right here.
Yeah, man.
You heard him. Don't stop. Don't stop.
I made it happen. You back it back in, Papa? How you want to do it? You think you can handle that?
That man right there. He is. I ain't even got words. I ain't even in the dictionary about that man right there. I'm telling you. You see how that thing in there?
What the camper?
He packed it in there.
He put it in a hole.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he put
It's in there.
this in the hole there.
It's in there.
Let's-
Oh,
Let's see how it's done.
on the inside.
Yeah, it'll have to be clean out right there. I have everything now. Let's go. Put it back in there.
My truck out the way.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull that.
You really don't have to move it.
Hey, look, we gotta make it home. We gotta make it home.
He can do it. If anybody can do it, he can do it.
If anybody can do it, he can do it.